How do you link get response to Builderall, a Builderall capture page? This is Diane Hogarth, Millionaire Mom. Hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, this is what you do. I'm in Get Response. This is the home page. Actually, it says create form here. So you just scroll down a little bit and pick a form. Now for this particular capture page, I just want the email and not the name. So I'm going to use this one here. You'll love this because it's so easy. Okay, so to get rid of the name, look, delete. It's so easy. Then you click the cog button and you name it. And this time, whoops, Liam has got some Google ads out. Then you've already got a list. And my list is that one there. Then your thank you page is the link that you want it to go to. So you need to do a custom page, and then hopefully, let's see if I've got it done it right. Yes. You copy and paste the link, and the thank you page automatically becomes the link that you want. So you save the form. Save the form. Then you have to collect the code. So you have to save and publish. Don't freak out. That's not the page you want. Go back into forms. And you need this code. Well, actually, I'll do that in a second because I wanted to show you quickly. I've got this capture page already set up. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to edit something and how easy it is in Builderall to edit a capture page. So I'm going to put the words Google Ads. How I got, whoops. And so you can have different colours. How I got 14K, whoops. This 14K a month with by Liam. I can't spell Liam. Liam James K. Now, if you can make it 3 lines and put that one in red, that's the sequence that we use. So you just text colour red. And that's orange. Text colour red. There you go. Okay, so that's the first bit. That goes to the next page. So you want to, the next page is this one. You want to put the form here you put, where's get response? Get response. And then you get the code for the form. The code for the form is this one here, look. Liam Google Ads is this one. So you copy that bit there. And go back into Builderall. Oh, I just got a new commission. Woohoo! I love it when that happens. Control V, confirm, save, save. So that's it. That's it, guys. So that's how you do a very quick and easy 3-minute job. How to link your get response to a capture page in Builderall. Hit the link below. Go and suss out Liam's Google Ads, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.